investigate what's going on there?
Yeah, I think I saw someone come in with an AR.
Come into the Las Vegas Athletic Club?
Yes.
The suspect has been identified as Daniel Ortega. He was 34 years old, 5 foot 11 inches tall, and weighed 180 pounds. This is after the shots have been fired and he had had a malfunction. The suspect is seen throwing a set of car keys while he paces back and forth, routinely looking out the front window. You'll see him take his wallet out of his back pocket and also toss that down on the floor.
Waiting 34, we got 2 rifles deployed. Multiple people are telling us that it's still inside. Skinner, take cover, he's coming out. Okay, right there, hey!
We presume that when he opens this door is when our officers first see him, when Officer Javier fires the first round.